Launching a new brand in this competitive world is a difficult task. Standing out of the crowd is a real challenge. Therefore, you will have to find new and creative ways to create a buzz in the market. Consumers also have much higher expectations and hope brands to interest and entertain them. Now, video content is in trend and users also prefer video over average graphics. And when we talk about videos for promoting upcoming products or services, we mean teaser videos. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. In this video, I will tell you the tips and tricks of creating a viral teaser video. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. What is a product teaser video? A product teaser is a video that creates a buzz in the market about your product. These videos aim to compel your consumers to know more about your brand. They evoke excitement in their minds. Teaser campaigns are intended to give glimpses of products and information to serve as clues. This way, on the final day, users are excited about your product and ready to share or buy it. You can use the teaser video in many ways for different purposes. You might have noticed how various brands are creating different types of teasers on social media. Here I will tell you 4 types of them. Number 1, explainer video. An explainer video aims to explain something within less time. In these videos, you can tell about your product features. You can explain how your product is different from other existing products in the market. Number 2, hype video. A hype video aims to create a buzz in the market. You can tell the basic details of your products too. But mainly, hype videos focus on the color and elegance of your brand. It excites consumers about the upcoming brand launch. Number 3, upcoming teaser. Upcoming teaser videos are the videos that Apple releases every year before releasing a new iPhone. You might have noticed that it doesn't tell much about the iPhone. Mostly it talks about the feel and experience. It makes you feel that having a new iPhone in your hand is necessary for living a luxurious life. Number 4, event teaser video. This type of teaser video simply informs about the event. Usually, people use footage of prior events, which quickly shows what the event is like and what kind of people will be interested in attending. Tips for creating a successful video teaser. When launching a product and willing to create an impact in the market, a teaser campaign can be the best way of igniting curiosity around your product before the big reveal. Keep the mystery alive. Do you know we humans tend to start thinking about mysteries? Whenever we see any mystery, we start solving that, no matter what it is, whether a book or a random ad. Use this technique to make them curious, make them believe that solving the mystery will be worthwhile. Don't reveal too much. When you decide to tell the details, make sure to not reveal too much, because revealing too much is not a good practice if you are unwilling to create an explanatory video teaser. There is one step that you can follow while deciding the revealing part of your teaser. If your brand consists of some extraordinary features, you can reveal them, but you should not tell too much if your brand is a normal brand with an elegant look. Make it interesting. A promo video should be visually appealing as well as communicating. It's your choice. You can use thousands of effects or sometimes just keep it straightforward. Know the right duration. When it comes to promo video duration, there is not any rule. You can create 15 seconds to 2 minutes long video. It depends on the concept that you want to convey to your customers. Once you start writing your script, you will automatically know the duration of your video. Your video should be as long as needed while retaining your viewers' attention and keeping an engagement alive. The ideal duration that most brands follow is from 15 seconds to 1 minute. Create a hashtag. Hashtags are necessary for everything that you upload on social media these days. They help you reach your target audiences. While creating a teaser campaign, introduce your own hashtag. A unique hashtag helps you get insights like how much engagement your campaign received and the audience likes of your new brand. End with a solid call to action. Your ultimate goal is to sell your product. So at last, make sure to add a CTA in your teaser video. The call to action should be at the end of your video and strengthen whatever you're trying to achieve. So add strong CTAs like subscribe now to know more details. Pre-book your order, participate in the contest, etc. Teaser videos are great for creating hype and leave the first impression. If your teaser video hits the right emotions, there's a 90% chance that your audience will come back to your website on the product release date. While wrapping up this video, I want to remind you, the main keys to getting the highest engagement on your teaser video are: don't stretch the length of the video, don't overload it with text, remember you're creating a video, use appropriate music in your teaser video, don't use unnecessary or random tracks, use high quality footage, edit seamlessly, there should be no jerk in the editing. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.